to sync your audio file and video file in CapCut. Actually, it's fairly easy once you figure out how to do it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab my video file. So let me grab that here and move it in. So there's my video file, and then let me grab my audio that goes with it. So now you can see here is my video file, there's my audio file, and all I have to do now is I'm going to highlight my video file, and then I'm going to click Command on my MacBook and select both of these files here. I'm going to right click, and then you'll see here one of the options says Sync Video and Audio. I'll go ahead and click it. Give it a few seconds. You can see it's syncing, and now the two files are matched up and I am good to go. And if you want, there's a little slider over here on the right. I can move that over and you can see how it all kind of matches up with my mic to the overall video or the sound that the video picked up when we were recording. So if I were to go ahead and play this, I'm going to go ahead and lower the volume in the video clip and then go ahead and play this file.
There's no way to avoid it. But
so you can see that my voice is lined up with the video. All is good. So once again, just import your video, import your audio file, highlight both of them on the Mac. You're using the command button to select both of them, and then right click and then select, so here I'll just do it again. Select both of them, right click, and then you're going to select sync video and audio, and you're good to go. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. Appreciate y'all.